For decades, homeowners were told asphalt shingles were the standard, affordable, reliable, good enough, across Quebec and Eastern Ontario. That promise is being tested like never before. Our climate is demanding freeze-thaw cycles, heavy snow loads, high winds, intense UV exposure in the summer. Asphalt shingles are deteriorating earlier and earlier. What was marketed as a 25 or 30-year roof often shows signs of curling, cracking, granule loss, and aging far sooner. And for homeowners, that usually means one thing: re-roofing again. More families are stepping back and asking a smarter question. Why keep replacing the same product every 10 to 15 years when there's a stronger solution available? That solution is steel. Metal roofing isn't a trend. It's a shift in thinking toward durability, toward structural integrity, toward long-term value. Steel does not absorb moisture. It does not become brittle in freezing temperatures. It does not curl under heat. It resists impact. It handles snow loads. It performs in high winds. When engineered correctly, a steel roofing system is built to outlast traditional materials by decades. Strength matters, and nothing compares to the structural performance of steel. But strength alone isn't enough. Engineering matters. Design matters. And how a system is built and installed makes all the difference. At Eco Metal Roof, both our Slate and Shake profiles use a fully concealed fastening system. That means no exposed screws through the face of the panel, no visible fasteners, no rubber washers baking under the sun, no rows of screw heads aging on the surface of your roof. Why is that important? Because exposed fasteners are one of the most common long-term maintenance points in lower-grade metal systems. Over time, expansion and contraction from temperature swings can stress fasteners. UV exposure can dry out washers. Movement can cause loosening. And when fasteners are exposed, they face direct contact with rain, snow, and ice. A concealed fastening system protects those components beneath the surface. The panels interlock securely and lock into place while shielding fasteners from the elements. It creates a cleaner architectural appearance, and more importantly, a more advanced, long-term fastening method designed for durability. But fastening is only part of long-term performance. The other critical factor is the coating that protects the steel itself. Not all paint systems are equal. Many metal roofing products on the market use SMP, silicone-modified polyester. SMP coatings are cost-effective and provide solid short-term protection. However, in harsh UV environments and aggressive climates like ours, SMP systems can experience earlier fading and chalking compared to higher-grade coatings. Our Slate and Shake systems use a PVDF-based coating, Durapon 70. It is considered the benchmark in architectural coating performance. Durapon 70 is a premium factory-applied coil coating system engineered using advanced PVDF resin technology, often licensed under Hyler 5000 or similar high-performance standards. PVDF coatings are chemically engineered for superior resistance to ultraviolet degradation. The carbon-fluorine bonds within PVDF resin are among the strongest in organic chemistry. That molecular stability translates into long-term color retention, reduced chalking, and improved gloss stability even after decades of exposure. In practical terms, that means better color retention, less fading, less chalking, greater weather resistance, long-term aesthetic performance. In Quebec and Eastern Ontario, where roofs face intense sun in the summer and severe freeze-thaw stress in winter, that difference becomes extremely important over time. When homeowners invest in steel, they're thinking long-term. A PVDF coating aligns with that mindset. It's engineered for decades, not just years. Now combine that concealed fastening system, high-grade structural steel, and advanced PVDF coating technology with architectural beauty. Our Slate profile captures the refined elegance of traditional stone slate, clean lines, dimensional shadowing, and timeless character without the weight or fragility of real stone. Our Shake profile delivers the bold texture and warmth of hand-split cedar, rich depth, strong shadow lines. and classic curb appeal without the cracking, splitting, or fire risks of wood. Both are precision formed from high-grade steel. Both are engineered for Canadian climates. Both are available in 7 carefully selected colors to complement modern and traditional homes alike. When you step back and look at a completed slate or shake roof, you don't see metal. You see craftsmanship. You see architectural detail. You see strength disguised as beauty. And none of that works without proper installation. At Eco Metal Roof, we do not subcontract our work. Our company-employed installation teams serve the entire province of Quebec and Eastern Ontario. They are trained specifically in steel roofing systems. Precision matters. Ventilation matters. Underlayment matters. Panel alignment matters. Fastening sequence matters. Our installers represent the company on every job site. We invest in training. We invest in equipment. We invest in doing things correctly the first time. This isn't about selling a roof. It's about solving the deep problem of premature failure. It's about ending the cycle of re-roofing. It's about long-term protection. Steel changes that equation. When properly installed, a concealed fastener steel roofing system with a PVDF coating provides structural strength, weather resistance, and aesthetic stability for decades. Homeowners today are more informed. They compare lifetime costs, not just upfront price. And when they look at the numbers, they see the difference between temporary and permanent solutions. Slate or shake. 7 colors. Concealed fastening. Advanced PVDF coating technology. Company-employed professional installers. Serving all of Quebec and Eastern Ontario. Eco Metal. Strong, beautiful, engineered for our climate. Because when you install the right roof once, you protect your home for decades. Choose Eco Metal Roof because it's the ecological